Kuonirwo kwa muthenya wa githurano ri tariki 17 mweri turorete tikuiganu kuri ngwataniro ya NASA. Ona thutha wa igoti karukuga no nginya bũrũri ũcokeire feini gũcuka mĩtĩ ori githurano-ini kia president. Ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro NASA matongoretio ni Raila Odinga matikenetio ni IEBC ona hanini igũrũ wa kiria maugite ni kuga kuruhanio itua-ini ria kugathika tariki 17 ta muthenya wa githurano.
A number of the officials of the commission should be sent home. Some of them should be investigated and prosecuted for the kind of heinous crime that they committed in these last elections. Their names are known. You mentioned some of their names, and you find the names in the statement which you're going to give you now. You say that these officials should not conduct elections.
Kurigana na Kalonzo Musyoka ni hari maafitha matafatie kunyita itemi githurano-ini na ho makauga president ndari na hinya wa kwendekithia maafitha eru kwa ihinda riri.
The provisions of article I think 134 on what is called temporary incumbency, because there are certain things that the president cannot do during this interim period. So one of which will be appointment of commissioners and state other public officers. So we are aware of that, and we do not want to precipitate this crisis. So we are restricting ourselves to the list that we have given you.
Ningi no morotete minister wa githomo Fred Matiang'i uria moretie atiga kurehe mihinga ya igeranio cia kibururi amukuri NASA githurano giki ni kia bata kuri bururi.
And the exams can be pushed. There's no harm in pushing the exams by 2 weeks. The children are not going to die. So this excuse by Matiang'i that, oh, in order not to delay the exams and so on, the children are just going home for holidays.
Thutha ucio mbutu ino yohire thabari nginya kaunti ya Kisii kuria matafanirie kambi-ini cia kumatha kura. Nari kaunti iria jaji munene igoti-ini ikaru David Maraga aumite moya mweke uyu kuha muigi wa kaunti ino megiritanĩtie na itua ria Maraga riria magathĩrĩirie na njĩra nene.
Wakihesabu tunahesabu, sio? Wakirusha tunarusha, wakiiba tunaiba.
President Kenyatta yukirie kura 113 nake Raila Odinga akiyukia kura 90,315 kaunti-ini ino. Girifotera Kameme TV, nijitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.